Global Sealer Technologies, GST International. The finest sealers available. Lock and seal sealer and joint stabilizer. Lock and Seal is a one-step, water-based, UV-resistant sealer and joint sand stabilizer designed specifically for interlocking paving stone installations. It is formulated from the latest developments in solvent-free, VOC, EPA and OSHA compliant, water-based chemistry, designed specifically with high product solids to create the ultimate sealer for interlocking paver installations. It seals and locks down the sand within the paving joints with a flexible bond that reduces weed growth and ant mines. Lock and Seal gives superior protection against stains and has exceptional water resistance. Lock and Seal brightens and enhances the natural color of the pavers while improving their durability and resistance to fading. Step-by-step application guide. Prior to sealing, a clean surface is mandatory. GST's Pro-Grade Cleaner will remove most tire marks and oil stains, as well as leaf, organic, and food or beverage stains. A surface cleaner using hot water will clean quicker and more efficiently. If efflorescence, rust, residual construction stains, or hard water stains are present, use GST's Clean Concrete to remove them first. It is important to rinse the clean concrete with Pro-Grade Cleaner to remove any other stains and neutralize the surface before sealing. This will ensure proper adhesion of the sealer. Rinse completely with water to remove all cleaner residue. Let the surface thoroughly dry 24 to 48 hours before sealing. For newly installed and/or freshly cleaned surfaces, remove loose dirt and debris with a leaf blower. A clean and dry surface ready for sealing. Start by rolling the sealer along the edges to protect landscaping or structures from overspray. Do not use a roller to apply the sealer in the main body of your project. Rollers will leave lap lines and pick up sand in the joints and deposit it on the surface. Spray the sealer on with a GST sprayer, designed specifically for use with our sealers. Apply Lock and Seal liberally using an overlapping circular motion. Pull the excess sealer into the joints with an industrial floor squeegee. The sealer in the joints should remain milky white for 45 to 60 seconds to ensure proper sealer penetration, providing joint sand stabilization. Continue this procedure in manageable 4x8 sections. Keep the sprayer pressurized to ensure an even application of sealer. If applying Lock and Seal on an uneven surface, like natural stone or textured surface pavers, it will be necessary to use a leaf blower or soft broom to disperse any pooling. A beautiful finish that will protect, enhance, and stabilize your surface. Protect and enhance your investment. Global Sealer Technologies, the finest sealers available. Tap like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. For more information about our products, visit our video gallery at www.gstinternational.com.